Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking light bulb in your Jeep Wrangler. It's pretty easy to do. You don't need any tools, and it'll only take you about 30 seconds to do it. Okay, so if your parking light is burnt out, what you have to do is you have to reach up and under the back side of the fender flare. So right here is where the parking light is. So you have to put your hand up in there, twist, and this will come right out for you. So to remove the parking light bulb, you can just pull on it and it'll slide right out for you. This bulb is a 194. It'll say right on it, and you should be able to find it at any local auto parts store. So take your new bulb and just push it back into the housing, just like that. It'll lock right into place. Give it a tug, make sure it's okay. Before you put it back into place, put the lights on. Make sure your bulb lights up. If for some reason your bulb doesn't light up, you're gonna want to maybe get a test light, test out the socket itself. See if there's power to the socket. If there isn't power to the socket, there's a couple of wires right here. Test those wires, see if they're live. And if they're not live, check out the fuses for that light. See if the other side's lit up. If that's not lit up either, there might be something up the fuse or something up on the circuit. So where the light goes into in the housing, you'll see a couple of notches right there. You're gonna want to grab the light right here, the bulb, put it up into place, and put it into the housing, and then you're gonna twist it and it'll lock into place and pull it, and now you're all set. It's back in. So that's all there really is to it. It's not so bad. It's pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.